Good morning from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. I guess it's lunchtime. I'm Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And today I'm going to talk about campaign 25. That means we're getting closer and closer to Christmas. And so it means 25, 26, and us and one will make it in time for Christmas. And that's how close we are. Very, very close. I'm going to show you this guy because it's like you're wondering, what in the heck is this? This is he's like good sized. It's the penguin. That's how big he is. And he has a recorder in him that will tell all kinds of different sayings. And he has pants on. And I had him, I have to show you this on the back side of him. He will moon you. I had him in my window and I didn't, whoops, I pulled his pants down. I had him in my window and it's like, oh, I never even thought about it until I've been like that for a few days. And so, yeah, it's like, whoops. And at the very beginning of this, if you don't notice, on the front of this is all kinds of jammies. And we have fun, we can have jammies for the entire family. So you can get that. And don't forget, we always have the A box on the back with a $40 purchase from campaign 25. You can get everything in this box for $10, and it always says what it is inside. And I'm gonna shut some of my. I'm gonna show you that and shut these lights off because like I think the lights are a little bright. This I have to tell you about these stories. Can you see this? This, yeah, the lights are bright so you can't see, and it also does the music. And let me shut the lights. There it is, so then you can actually see it. It has music as well as just lights, so you get to pick which it is. These are a great family gift if they have little kids and stuff. So it's a great family gift kind of thing. My great niece and nephew came out just recently with my older sister and her husband, and they were so intrigued with that. They watched it for the longest time, and it has the little, I don't know if you noticed it right here, has the little red truck on it, and it's buying Christmas tree scene is what it is. So it's kind of a fun one. And the other one that I have is this village, and there's all kinds of pieces to it. And this one is the bookshop, and let's see it. And this one is the theater. And this one is the gift shop. And what's kind of fun about these, they're kind of lightweight, so not real heavy, but those little guys, they're 3 and 5. They have so much fun with these, and they come with the Santa Claus and the carolers, and I love this one. It's the snowman with a little boy, and that another caroler with his dog. And then it comes with a couple trees and the light posts. But they had so much fun rearranging these and doing different things with these things, because it's like, my kids are growing, and so I don't have a lot of toys. But that entertained them for a long, long time. And we had so much fun doing it. And it's like, yeah. So we have a lot of fun Christmas things for all ages. So I want to make sure you see that. A couple things I don't want you to forget. We have a little flyer. This is on my e-store, so if you want to see it, all these different bundles are under $10. One of the things that I think is like so cool is the Aspira. It's the cleanse, and they're normally $20 on stuff for $9.99. So I think that is great. It's a 3-day cleanse, very gentle, and I got stocked up because I'm going to definitely do that on a more regular basis this year. And then another really fantastic sale that's in that flyer is this. If you have to get teacher gifts or just you need to get gifts under $10, this is a shower gel, a body lotion, and a hand cream for $7.99. So I think, and it's one of my favorite smells, so it's like, yay! And it's the soft and essential one. We also, of course, have the outlets and the little flyers, and you can always back order to brochures. And I am still raising money for the homeless children. This is Herbie the Hedgehog. So if you would like to be a blessing and help with that cause, we're getting closer and closer. At the beginning of the year, beginning of the month of December, I am going to get those all stacked and put together in the gift bag. They're also getting a shower gel, a lip balm, and a hand cream. So yeah, they're gonna have some really nice stuff. A couple things I don't want you to miss because I didn't put it on here. We have WOW products in the catalogs. These are the liter size of the moisture therapy lotions. It's getting drier and drier for $9.99. Thanks, Sonia. And I'm gonna give you some. I'm gonna kind of intersperse all over the place today. Makeup. This is like the most awesome sponge because it's pointed and it's egg shaped. I use it daily and it's only $2.99. It's just a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing. Hi, Sandy. Thanks for joining. I'm hoping to meet you someday. Deodorants. If you haven't used our deodorants, they are like $1.50. So, or 2 for $3. So great little stocking stuffers. Another stocking stuffer is the hand creams. They are $2 a piece, but if we have a gift where you can get more, like hand creams and lip balms for like $7. The Topaz, it's a limited time edition. And so if you remember, it used to be in a big yellow tall bottle. They brought it back just for a limited time. So $8.99. And I love these trees, and that's another thing. They thought these trees were fun to play with. They're plastic, so they're not going to hurt anything if they fall over. Oh, well. But they come in all the different Skin So Soft smells. Shower gels are in them. So, and they have just the lid to open and close is on the bottom. And our fun bath lines, we have the Holiday Berry Kiss and the Ginger Cappuccino and the Citrus Frosted Bouquet. All those are different things. And this is the shower gel. Look how big it is. They're like $5.99, $6.99 introductory prices. So yeah. And I love this Nativity. And it has, you can see it because the lights are being on. Yep. Oh, that's it. There. It has stars on the backside. And then that, and it sits like being very, and then look at this gorgeous page. I'll put this up front so maybe you can see it better. And it's lit up here. So then I should you can see that. The detail is just really cool. And she has praying hands. And our pewter ornaments. Every year we have the pewter ornaments. This one is an angel. And it comes in the little velvet red bay. If you smell these are so fun. They're bubble baths, but these are the only time you can get them is in these. This one's coconut lime. But we have like 3 different smells. Love it. And Christmas trees. And this one's just a really bright one. So we have some really cool ornaments. Jewelry. I love jewelry. Notice, I almost forgot to tell you about this. Look at this gorgeous, this is a chocolate set. It also comes in the regular color of pearls. And these are posts that are dangly, but it has like little stones at the very top of it. And it also comes with a stretch bracelet. And it also has like a really pretty bead on it that is has some stones in it besides the pearls, just like it does right up here. And then this ring, we have a gorgeous, gorgeous rings, $9.99. There's like three different colors. One of them is, they come in different shapes. The black one is round. The red one is a square, $9.99. And then we also have these are the stones, and then they have CZs around them. Make sure you notice if you are wanting these, this is the last brochure that they will be in, and they are on wonderful prices. So check them out. little kids. If you've been wondering why we don't have much for kids, well, whereas we're getting closer and closer to Christmas, we're getting more and more kid stuff. Look at this, I just love it. Unicorns are really big. We have a bunch of unicorn stuff. This is a little girl's, and it has glittery, the unicorn is glittery, and it has the tassels on it, and it has a chain and as well as the cord, so it's a nice one. And I'll jump into this, and then I'll go back over to kids stuff. Bras. If you need your girls in something that is really, really nice, we have the best bras. We have them in all kinds of sizes, from small ones to very big ones. Even a 50C, and bigger than that. I've sold all kinds of sizes of bras. But what's kind of cool is those ones that are for people in the that are more a little well endowed. They are same price as whatever the normal sizes are. So I think that is wonderful of that. And another kid thing, we have JoJo. She she plays music, and what's kind of cool is she comes with a brush and the bow that's in her hair. It's for her to wear, or your favorite little girl that gets this. She gets that too. So I think that's kind of fun. $19.99. Fragrances, we also have the stockings, red and gold ones, Far Away or Haiku. And the baby's first Christmases or family pictures, if you want to have one for every year, it has the year on it, and it has a spot to be able to put the picture in it, so it'll hang really nice. And it's not so overly heavy, so it'll hang really nice on your tree. $7.99. And our Christmas tree that has the wonderful red and green beads and some hematite ones on there. It's our collectible one, $19.99. Kids lip balms. Up by the kids stuff, there's some fun ones with snowman and Santa and the Nutcracker on there, and they're $1.49, and they're kind of fun flavors like cherry cool and strawberry and watermelon. So those are kind of fun. Lipsticks. Love lipsticks. This is our one has a lot of nourishing, it's moisturizing one. They're on sale this time for $4.99, and they go on really nice. And they're just some good moisture. And like I said, I'm trying to find all this moisture stuff because all of a sudden we just dried out. And candles. We have our regular candles. This is the holiday cheer one, the 3 wick candles. But what's kind of cool is, if you notice this actually has a stand on it so that you can actually set it down for the 12 days of Christmas. And when you open these up, inside is the different Christmas candle smells in tea lights. So I think that's kind of fun. Look at this. Swarovski crystals rings. We have 2 different ones. We have the solitaire one, or we have the band one. And the band one also has Swarovski crystals on it. And what I thought was kind of cool is the price. Because they're sterling silver with 14 karat gold plating on them. So it's a great, you can use it as a wedding ring, or just wear it as a ring. But I just think it's gorgeous. So I was very excited to see that, because different people had asked about wedding sets that are really good. Well, there's one. And then look at this. This is how this comes. And I didn't open it up yet, just so that I could show you how it opens. What it is, we have a bunch of different ones of these, and they are kids' wash rags. And and when they get wet, it'll open up. And like I say, didn't bring you water either. That wasn't thinking with it, but it's kind of a fun little thing. But it opens up to we have like a bunch of different ones to show, and they're at the very beginning, and they're $3.99. So that's kind of fun. Make skincare. You know me. I can't tell you. Always have to tell you something about skincare. Make sure you cleanse your face. We have great cleansers. They're on sale. This one is the scrub, so it gives you a little bit more cleaning for $6.99. Thanks much for watching. Faye Swinson, independent sales rep and national recruiter for Avon. And that's everything. Have a great day. Many blessings.